Risk in relation to money and finance is effectively the likelihood of losing economic value. Many things will affect how risky an asset is, but keep in mind that the riskier the asset, the more potential there is for greater returns. This is known as the risk-return trade-off. For example, money sitting in your savings account at the bank is lower risk as it is deemed to be safe and can be accessed immediately without losing value. Stocks, on the other hand, are more risky as values fluctuate constantly. This is why returns on your savings account are significantly lower than potential returns of a stock portfolio. Risk tolerance is how comfortable we are with the swings in asset value and the possibility of losses. Generally, risk tolerance will differ from person to person and will be dependent on a number of factors, including an individual's life stage. Younger persons may be inclined to take greater risk and apply heightened risk tolerance as there may be more time to recover from losses over time. In contrast, older persons may not want to assume such levels of risk and may want to protect their wealth from loss as best as possible. For any financial decision we make, there should be an understanding of the risk involved. Having understood the risk or risk tolerance would guide whether that decision is a yes or no.